This is the video we've been waiting for. This is the official Galaxy Note 10 Plus with the official clear case. Look at this beauty. And over here is a cheap knockoff $5 eBay case. So let's see what kind of quality you get from the land of bays. Oh, it's got a life-sized Galaxy Note 10 Pro. Not even Plus, it's a Pro. That's cool. And the case itself, let's see. Let's get this guy off and compare the difference. Okay, so straight away I see a difference. The cutout of the official case is kind of like a square, well, rectangular, whereas the cutout for the knockoff case is more in tune with the design. What about the holes? What kind of holes you get? You get a big hole for the pen, a raise, a bigger microphone hole, a bigger, it's got a USB hole which is smaller. Buttons look about the same. Top bit got the holes in appropriate places. So I'm just going to put on the knockoff case and see if I can tell a difference. Now there is straight away a bit more grip to the knockoff case, just slightly more, ever more grippy. Let's put it in. It fits. It looks actually kind of beautiful. This is actually probably a better cutout. This cutout is a, you know what? When I was using the official case, I would always accidentally touch the camera because this bit is nice and flat and smooth. Whereas the cutout case here, there's a slight groove. So if your finger is swiping, it kind of gives you a little bit of detection where the camera is. But just holding it right now, I'll be honest with you, it feels exactly the same as before. The grills over here, I guess this isn't as centered as before. The S Pen still can come out. Yeah, maybe this clear $5 eBay case is actually better than the official one. Let me just double check. One more time. Yeah, they both feel honestly about this cutout is still about the same. They both feel about the same, to be honest. So that's your review. The official clear case from Samsung, a lot of money, or a $5 knockoff eBay case for the Note 10 Pro. And I gotta say, maybe this knockoff one wins. Thanks for watching.